Hey, I'm Josh, Parts Director here at Fortis HD, and welcome to the Tool Bench. Today we're going to check out the Impact Poly dual-faced dead blow hammer. One side steel, one side soft. It gives you the versatility of both styles without taking up extra space. So whether you're tight on toolbox space or you want a do-it-all hammer, this is the one you need. The Impact Poly dual-faced dead blow is a 4¼ pound hammer that's built for heavy-duty applications. The handle, head, and steel striking face are made of heat-treated 4340 chromoly tool steel, a high-strength alloy that's tough, hard, and resistant to wear. Unlike hammers made from mild steel or lower-grade metals that can chip and deform over time. This dual-face hammer is also fully welded, holds its shape under repeated heavy strikes, and transfers force efficiently. Now, for the soft-face side itself. It's made using a molecular fusion technology, which means it bonds poly directly to the steel so it won't peel or wear out easily. The head is shot-filled with free flow design. This reduces rebound, minimizes recoil, and delivers more of the hammer's force while being easier on your arm. To better show you the recoil difference, we're going to hit them on a 135G bucket. With these being made in Canada, they come with hockey stick style handles that flare at the end to reduce slipping even when hands are oily or wet. The internals of the handle are made from a spring steel, which adds strength, absorbs impact, and can bend under extreme force but still keep its shape. Another cool feature of the hammer is a flat top head, so it can stand upright for easy storage or sit on top of machines and work surfaces. Combined with the dual face design, it provides versatility and convenience in tight spaces. This hammer is built for tough jobs where durability and versatility matter. Heat-treated 4340 chromoly steel, a spring steel handle, and a shot-filled free-flow head provide strength, long life, and reduced recoil. It's suitable for those in fabrication, machining, automotive work, heavy machinery, and general construction. If you want to get your hands on the Impact dual-face dead blow hammer, head over to FortisHD.com where we have them in stock and ready to ship. Thanks for watching our product highlight of the Impact Poly dual-face dead blow. We'll be doing more of these tool overviews, so if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. And if there's a specific tool you want us to check out, or a product you'd like to see Fortis carry, let us know in the comments or send us an email, media@FortisHD.com. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we'll see you at the next video.